my name is Adrián Jiménez. I started working in Telefónica 1 year ago through Talentum Startup Scholarship Program. During 6 months, I was able to develop my own technological project with the help of Telefónica. My project, that was a face recognition app developed in Android, was selected as one of the best of the last edition of the scholarships. In an event, I was able to present it to José María Álvarez Payete. Nowadays, I'm working in Telefónica Spain through Talentum University's internship. The department where I work is called Transformation and is in charge of developing projects to help to transform the company into a digital telco. The project where I am is looking for efficiencies in terms of electric consumption, how to be more efficient, how to reduce the power consumption to be a more efficient company. I would love to go to the One Young World Summit to get new ideas on how to transform the company and to share technological knowledge in that incredible environment of talent.